Hello, 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 everyone. Yes, so welcome. Um, yes, good evening, Rachel. Hello, good evening, Marvin. Yeah, it's my first time seeing you here, Marvin. If you were a silent, uh, watcher before, well, anyways, welcome. Okay, meet Jeromel. Welcome, welcome po. Yeah, so good evening. Yeah. So for tonight, um, not quite sure because most of my watchers, in here are Filipino. So I had some DM, and even my uncle who is like watching, my videos. I literally send him my free videos, lesson videos, like complete because he also wants to learn how to trade. But the thing is, this is much more comfortable learning it in Tagalog. So I have some people also coming over to me like, why in English? The thing is this. I personally have some students who are international guys, okay? So that's why I try to keep everything in English. And yeah, but if you have any questions, if anything that you want to be expounded or let's say explain, right? Just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to explain it in Tagalog if you want to. Okay? So nagsasalita po ako ng Tagalog. Sige? Yeah. All right. So let's go over here. Yeah. Hmm. So uh, market is opening right now. Uh, U.S. market, guys. Okay, so I am usually live during this time, like 8, 9 p.m., 10 p.m., because this is the time that the market, US market, is open. And whenever the US market is open, volatility is there. So, volatility, for those who are new in here, it means that, we can expect some movements in the market. So, um, let's open. Currently, I am in the daily uh, chart, okay, daily chart. So if you are new here or new to trading, I actually have free trading lessons from basics that will explain all of this, okay, the daily charts and all. So let's open the 4-hour chart, okay. So let's just scan from June 23, June 24. This is where we started to range, okay. This is where we started to range. There you go. So if we see right now, even if you ask your dog or your cat or your pet, uh, even them can tell you that market is not moving, it's just ranging, di nagalaw, right? So just a moment, guys, okay, just a moment. So sorry, guys, my 4-year-old cousin, every time I do my trading, she always wants to be around me. So if you hear some noises, yeah, that would be her. Just ignore her. I ask her to go out of the room, but she doesn't want to go out. Anyways, yeah. So we have the trading range from June 22 all the way till today, right? So we are just ranging at the point of, yeah, please, please. Yeah. So 29 700, 29 800, and then all the way to the high of 31,200. So at this point, guys, from the previous live that we did, we know, or you guys know now, that the 30K level is a really hard um resistance to break. Okay, 30K level, anywhere all the way till 33K, to be honest. So, you know, so yeah, from right here we have 31 400 500. Yeah, the moment we hit that, we always get what? We always get rejected. So just a quick recap. Can you see? It can go all the way till 30 to 300 and up to here, guys. Okay, so you would be able to see where that is. Okay, first one, eto, right here. Okay, can you see that red line, 32 400? Another line for us to watch is right here, this low. Okay, 32 800. That is why I listed it all the way till 33K. You can expect like hard rejection in this zone, in between. Okay, dito sa loob na to. In between of this, you would be able to face some really hard rejection. So even though right now we are ranging, right? Yeah, please. If you're gonna make noise, please. Yeah. So right here, just a moment, guys. Okay. Yeah, okay. So again, trading range right around here. Okay, let me zoom that in. And now we're just ranging. We're actually nearing to the price of the rejection. Okay, so again, anywhere around 30K to 33K. Okay, that's gonna be some heavy rejection. Now going back on the 4 hour. Mm-hmm. All right, so 4 hour right here. We're having some, again, notable rejection around the 31 200. So last time that we went around here was 4 days ago, June 30. Yeah, June 30, or 3 days ago. And this one is actually clearing the both sides of long and short. So right now what is happening is full on, you know movement, still slowing down. Yeah, still slowing down. Because of what? Because of the shock. This big candle that you guys are seeing, that is causing the shock that we are experiencing right now. So the shock is this: we are not moving anywhere at all in terms of Bitcoin. Okay, we're not moving. Can you see? So we're just ranging in a point of 30,300 to 30,700. That's nothing, like literally nothing. So if we talk about that, it's like 1.4%. In terms of, like, I guess if you're doing scalping, you can make some, but it's not really ideal. It would be so tiring trading this. And at the same time, in a swing position, by the way, scalping, swing, there's a lesson out now. It was yesterday. Just check it in my video, so you get to understand about them. So in a swing position, I guess you won't feel it yet, but yeah, there's no movement at all. All right, so let's track some momentum. Mm-hmm. This is not a good momentum if you talk about the 4 hour right now. 4 hour needs to break. This 4 hour that we have right now, since we have the opening of the US market, we need some volume coming in. Okay, so I guess you guys can expect till 12 a.m. Philippine time, 1 a.m. Okay, you can expect movements coming up, and ideally, if you are like, want the Bitcoin to go up, we need a candle to close above 30,700. We need the 4 hour candle to close above there. Currently, we're having some pressure to the upside, small pressure, you know, and but it is now crucial, okay? Kailangan na talaga we really have to close above now. So 1 hour session, you know, is really slow, but we're getting there. Just give it time. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So, yeah, we're moving in a way like this. You guys can also take this. Can you see this? That's a pattern itself right there. Yeah. So, there's now on a lower time frame section, now you guys can watch out for this, okay? I'll teach you some how to watch out some breakouts, okay? So, on the current pattern that you are seeing by the white trend line that you okay, right here, we if the candle, okay, can you see this, these are wicks only, can you see, but we close above, this. So if we get some movements right now, that it will go down like this, that's too deep now, but yeah, like something like that. But your market goes up back again, this is basics of the candle lessons again, it's in the free trading lessons only in my videos. So if the candle closes above this, white line right now, that's not gonna be equal to, oh, that's a breakout. No, that's actually a spring to the upside. It's going to be a spring, and that's gonna be a movement to the upside. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E. Yeah. Anyway, so now for movement to the upside, 1 hour, let's see the momentum. Momentum is pretty flat. Okay, pretty flat on the 1 hour. So what we can rely on for the momentum is the higher time frame. And the 4 hour is also flat. The 2 day, I mean the 1 day chart. 1 day chart is, it's a little bit weakening in terms of to the upside na session. 8 hour, same. 4 hours, that's why I said that 4 hour needs to push right now, at least by the closing of the 3 hour, which is the 12 a.m. of PH time. We really need the move now, guys. Else, what's that gonna be, for Bitcoin? That's gonna mean that there's a weakness, heavy weakness on Bitcoin, and we're likely to go down. Okay? So, where are we now? 1 hour, yeah. So 1 hour and not good. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, it's weakening right now. So that's it. That's two options that I want you guys to watch out. The movements from here, and then we need to break to the upside, especially this level on the 4 hour earlier. That was the, yeah, this one. We need to close above here. Now, the closing above here does not apply. Oh, the 4 hour right now that we're waiting has to close above that. Not exactly so. What we just need to see right now is just a push to the upside, and ideally break of this white line. But right here, that can take time or not. Can be like in a day or two, but we need a movement to close above this. So the moment we close above this, nothing is gonna stop Bitcoin to hit 33K. So right now it's just what, 31K, and yeah, 4% movement to the upside. Hmm. Okay, so that's it for the Bitcoin. Yeah, but the thing is this: Bitcoin might not be moving, but alts are actually, they're having their own time right now. So with the dot, okay, let me remove this. This is my trade, guys. So with the dot is really looking good. We have the push to the upside from July 2 to the upside like 8%. And miss, oh, is that a breakout? Yes, that is a proper breakout, okay, of this one. So let me take this out. Okay. So right now, okay, let's look at the daily. On the 4 hour, there was a good, strong breakout. Even at the daily, it is a strong breakout. In terms of momentum, it is a healthy momentum. Nothing, nothing to be, what do you call this, aware of. But, just this couple of lines, guys, or this zone right here. So 5.8, be watchful with that, 5.8. So we still have like 12, I mean 11 hour to close. Let's see how the dot daily, okay, daily chart closes from here. But daily momentum is healthy, I'm telling you, okay, to the upside. It's healthy going to the upside. So that's it. Let's watch the 12 hour or 1 hour close. That's gonna be on 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, okay, 8 a.m. So 12 hour right now. Okay, so looking at the 12-hour session, so if we'll refer by this, okay, this right here, okay, let me plot that. So that is actually a rejection. We got the close. So that is why I want you guys to watch out for the daily close. So that's gonna be the 12-hour right now. This one, it might slow down. Let me see. Yeah, it might slow down. So the 4 hour is gonna be our reference. So 4 hour can take some time right here. So just give it time. Okay, nothing much to expect right now. You know, just give it time. Especially that, yeah, it's just Monday session right now. So 2 hour, correcting. 1 hour, still at the correction point. So we might still have some time to go all the way to 5.3. 30 minutes, same, pressure, momentum is still to the downside. But the daily, okay, bigger picture, yeah, like give it a week or so. Uh, yeah, we have some good momentum to the upside. But currently, and okay, couple more hours that we're gonna be facing is gonna be the correction side. Okay, now BNB. Oh yeah, BNB. I remember July 1st. Yeah, people were asking people from Crypto MD. So if you guys are here, people from Crypto MD, yeah, make noise in the comments. Let me know if you guys are here. Okay, so last time, so that was July 1st. So let me go back. July 1st, right here. 4 hour session. It was looking like this, guys, right? Remember? We were just around here, like 2:40. I remember that. This one, yeah, evening. It was evening time. Okay. So let's open 1 hour. I was around like 8 p.m. that I did the live as also. So like I said, expect the 248 to be a rejection. It is still there. The red line is still there. And when we had that, give it a couple, yeah. We move all the way till there, and what happened? We are getting some rejection with 248, more rejection. Can you see, guys? So again, this is the 1 hour. So we're having that that ranging typical movement right now, of reacting at the resistance. Now, where did, for those who are new in here, you guys might be asking, where did the resistance came, miss? Okay, so that resistance came from the daily, and that is the closing of the candle. So right here. Let me show you. There. Okay. And can you see we haven't even closed? What did I say? We need to close above the 248 level, guys. Okay. We need to close the 248 level. And oh, let me rewind for now from there, okay? Because looking at this, for sure you guys will be like, oh, that's a double pattern for those who are in advanced lesson. Oh, that's a double pattern. So, miss, what is a double pattern? So, double pattern or double bottom pattern, like that. Okay? Dalawang bottom. Okay, isa, dalawa. So, that's why we call it double bottom. Okay, so when we were just around 240, what did I say? We cannot assume that it is a double bottom yet unless and until we touch the neckline. So yung neckline or the neckline in here is this. And we did touch now. So what's the point now? Now we need it to break out. So the moment we get the breakout, this is now going to be, a confirmed type of trade, meaning the moment you get the breakout, you can have a confirmed entry. Okay, confirmed entry, we're in. All right, okay, I can take my like that and I can aim all the way from here because to be honest guys, there's nothing holding Binance or BNB all the way till 300. Nothing in a minor perspective, just this 267. But if you're doing this setup, this one is actually a swing setup because we are at the daily. So you won't mind the small rejection from here, because you're doing swing. Again, if you don't understand swing, scalp, day trading, I have that on my lessons in my videos. Okay, it's free. You can watch it in my YouTube right now. All right, so now going back on the 1 hour, we're getting that rejection, right? So let's forward this one. Now is July 2 morning. Let's open it up. Okay, see some rejection, little bit of a retest. So yeah, 248 was a clear rejection for everyone. Yeah, it's at the daily, like what I have mentioned, July 1st when we analyzed it. Now, second, what do you call this? Second rejection right there. We're getting some push to the upside, and that is the push right now. I guess you guys are wondering, anyone in here from Crypto MD? Everyone wondering what on earth is that? Yeah, what on earth is that? So what does it mean, diba? So now let's go back on the daily because we need to see the daily. If did we close above the 248 red line, right? So going back on the daily right now, let me remove this. No, we have not yet. And the funny thing is this: the moment we hit all the way up, we're back ranging or slowing down. Okay, nag-slow down tayo at 248 again. So now, this is the thing, guys. If you're holding BNB, you need to watch out for the close of the day. And that's going to be tomorrow, 8 a.m., 11 hours to go. So we need to close above 248. Okay? 248. So, and ideally, not only that, we want it to close with a strong bullish body. Because look at this, we have this much wick to catch up. We have this much week to catch up, and that's okay. Let me tell you, if we close above here, okay, looking like that, 252, that's neutral. I can tell you that's a break, but then after that, expect movement that is gonna slow down, slow down, slow down. Okay, or the movement to the upside is gonna be slow the next opening candle. So what about miss if we break like that? That is actually if we close above here at 255. By the way, the wick is at 257. So 255 right here. Okay? Looking at that, just imagine it, guys, to be a solid body. That's gonna be looking so bullish. Like this candlestick right here. Eto. Yeah, and it will look like this or like this. And that is bullish. Bullish candle. And that's a really nice breakout by then. So, now you have two situations. That okay, two situation for candlestick closing and what to do after that. So what about miss if we close below the red line or at the red line or a little bit above the red line? What do you guys think? Remember the candlestick lesson that I taught you in the free trading lesson? Going back on the psychology, yes, we did open around here. Oh, so strong. The bulls are so strong. But at the same time, we got the move down. Yeah? What happened with the pressure? Remember, candles or sessions is just a fight of two guys, bears and bulls, or buyers or seller. Okay? That's it. No third party. Okay? Buyers and sellers. So yeah, we got the sellers down. So one thing that I want you guys also to think about here, all right, is um how can I put this one out? I mean, how can I put this up? Let me find words, guys, okay, to explain this as simple as possibly I can. When I used to buy coins, okay, when I used to buy during especially like bull markets, and if you have a big amount of you know that you want to buy in, so let's say you're buying like $1 million or $500,000, and market cap is small. By the way, market cap, I have explained that multiple times, especially on the part 3 lesson, I guess, of the free trading lesson. So just go over that, okay, so you have a full understanding of it. But yes, if you are, let's just put it this way: if you have a big amount, like a whale, you are, and when you buy a coin, since you are a whale, you have the tendency to be able to move the market. So I have made it before, so I understand it properly. So why did we, hit 257 and then come back down right away? So one theory that you guys can think about this is this: someone with a really big account or a whale bought BNB. So what's the point, miss? Yeah. So if you guys have, let's say, $1 million buying right here, let's say the supply at 248 is only, someone is selling just, let's say someone is just selling 100K of orders around here, and then around 249 someone is selling, you know just 200K. Yeah, right here. And then right at 254 someone is just selling, let's say, 400K. And then right at the tip of right here, how much do we have left now? Okay, we have around 300, let's say 300,000 K left of orders. Can you guys, like, let me know in the comments if you guys are, catching up, or you want me to um do it again, or like, explain it better. I'm trying, guys. Okay, I'm trying. So let's say that you have, these are the orders that is in the market right now. Okay, so for those who are doing futures, limit orders, these are this. So we have some sellers around, in total volume of 100K around here. And then right here we have the around 250. May merong 200K na orders dyan. So you coming in the market and just putting in, let's say you did a market order. Okay, so market order, for the nuance in here, is just letting the exchange buy for you, meaning that you don't control your buying price. Whatever is the market price by the exchange, that is where they will, trigger your entry point. Okay, as simple as that is. So let's say I'm gonna buy $1 million market price. So of course, no, if you wanna buy right now, the price is 248, diba? Right now, 248. But then when it hits 248, there's only 100K in there. So you have what? 900K left. So now the next price available in the market is 200, around 250. So since you did a market price, it will automatically, the market will automatically buy the 200K for you. Yeah. Now 700K is left. And then still you have 700K, market price, automatic. The next price out there is 253. Market will, okay, exchange will fill it for you. That is why you guys are seeing this spike right now. That is one of my theory, which has happened with me. That is why we push all the way up. And since the price, that's a market shock, to be honest. It's one way also now that you guys can see, some manipulation. In a sense, it's somewhat, you can do it as a manipulation also, this kind of wicks. So that's going to be another lesson, as advanced lesson. But yeah, that is just, the basic that I can tell you what happened in here. Someone bought in BNB that shocked the price all the way till 257. I guess by 257 his orders got filled in, and of course market is going to be shocked. Also suddenly BNB is, so high, but at the same time, by then, okay, at the same time, um the market, the total market is not ready for it. So they'll be like, "Oh, that's so expensive. BNB is so expensive." And there's only one guy, that one whale only who did this. Not all in the market or million of traders are, um, expecting that to happen. And by the way, this spike, can you see? This spike, let me tell you, is in a 1 minute candlestick. Can you imagine? 1 minute. So crazy. 248 yan, ha. So that is why I'm telling you, that is my 100% or 99%, okay, theory of what happened in here. Like that. Because if the market is healthy, if it is a healthy price up, okay, moving up, it's not gonna be going down this fast. And at the same time, it's not gonna be pushing up this much at the same time in just a span of a minute. Can you guys imagine? 248 to 250, 257. And then suddenly there's a price down so quickly. Right? So that's it. That's my theory, that someone bought BNB, so much of BNB. And I guess that whale, his average right now is gonna be around 250, I guess. 250 or 254, give or take. Because when I did that, my um my entry was also at least uh around 70% or 50% higher than the current market price. So if this is the market price, consider this as zero, and this is the 100, the highest price. So my entry price average is around here, like 70 or 60. Okay, 254. I guess that's his sitting entry point right now. Anyway, so yeah, but going back on the technical analysis aspect, everything is technical analysis, guys. Let me tell you, everything. So, I just explains the daily, what you need to watch out. 4 hour, 1 hour, not so much yet. 4 hour. hmm Yeah, 4 hours still has some room to grow. 1 hour is not like, you cannot say 1 hour is like, oh, it's so overextended that is gonna drop like, like you have a correction. This one can literally drag, guys. Let me tell you. Okay, let me show you. It can literally drag, okay, all the way up, like so slow, filling up till here, the 257. It can fill. And If it did fail, guys, in a span of like 11 hours from now, that's gonna be considered a break now on the daily, diba? Can you guys like picture it out? The candlestick that I told you, the very bullish candlestick, or the bullish candlestick, um, right here is gonna form, and then people will be like, oh, that's a breakout. Yeah. So just watch out for that. That's it. So I hope my breakdowns, I'm trying to, all of this, what I'm telling you now, when it is inside my mind, when I am trading, everything is like so fast. So, what I'm just doing right now, I'm trying to explain it as simple as, I can, my thought process when I trade. So, if my thought process right now that I am breaking everything out for you is helping, then I'm happy. Okay, just so let me know in the comments if this live sessions that we're doing and me um, breaking out some what is happening in the market is helping your trade. Okay. Uh-huh. So link. Okay, so let me just like watch out for link. Not so much yet. Yeah, we still have some room to grow. To be honest, out guys, they're not like fully extended that oh it's gonna correct. They have rooms to grow right now. So if this was the first, where was that? Where was this one earlier? This red one. It was a resistance, eh? It was like yeah, this guy right here. Yeah, right here. So we just had the break of that. It's a similar movement with dot. So if I'll extend that, we might get some rejection, but around this zone, this around this area, 6.7. Okay, daily, 12 hour. Okay, slowing down is there. Yeah, slowing down is there. So when I speak about slowing down, meaning the momentum to the upside is, getting tired. So right here, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, expect some correction with link, and that's gonna be appropriate, or what's the word for that? In correlation with the resistance that is now a support. So like this, like that. Okay, that's what I'm seeing on the lower time frame. Okay, we might get some resistance. So let me put an alarm. I need to see the break of 6.48 right here. And then another one right here. So we can enter long position in this momentum trade right now. So momentum trade, if you want to learn more about that, I have shared that on the free trading lesson titled Momentum. Okay, this is a very easy trading setup, guys. The momentum. So you can actually learn about that. Anyways, so that's it. These are just the what do you call this? Just the you know some updates on the current trades that we have for the past. If you guys likes this free live charting of some coins, possible coins to trade, and if you want some of these updates, okay, just stop by every time I do the live chart, so you can get some understanding of what is happening on the total market and some of the coins that I personally are trading. Okay. Yeah, so let me see. Yeah, so that's it for tonight, guys. By the way, yeah, Lynch, good evening. Earlier, you were in the you were in the trading lessons also. Happy to see you here. Good evening, Ralph. Oh, I remember you. You are way back. I guess years now. Ralph has been in premium. Yeah. So speaking about premium, if you guys want to learn advanced lessons rather than some basics, if you want to jump in now on advanced lessons, yeah, everything is available in my premium subscription. If you want to have that, those lessons, just click the description, below. The link is there. Yeah. So yeah, so if you have any question, other questions, just message me in my in my Instagram, Mayari Capital. So, ma'am, gold chart. You're trading forex? I assume you're trading forex. Yeah? I have not seen forex market for a very long time, let me tell you that. For a very long time. But yeah, so let's give it a shot. Where is this? Okay, just for this one, since it's my first time seeing you here, Marvin. So let's give it a shot. Okay, so let's add right now. I forgot what's the ticker for gold again? I guess it's Shao or XAU. Can you tell me what exchange are you um trading with, Marvin? Yeah, let me know in the comments. What's the full ticker symbol that you're doing and the possible market? Mhm. Show USD. Is it against USD, Val? It's been ages since I have traded this, indices, funds, forex, very long time. Yeah, okay, so let's just for forex.com gold. Yeah, let's do USD. Yeah, let's do from Wanda. Yeah. Yeah. Chart ticker and then market Marvin. What market or what you call that one? Exchange. Exchange. Yes, you can be, doing in metaphor. MT4, yeah. MT4, but what market are you doing it with? So just for the general, so, so much of alerts going on. Hmm. Okay, anyway, so let's try. Let me know, okay? So let's try this one. Because not everything is gonna be the same. That's the thing. Anyway, so let's open the monthly. Since, like I said, it's been ages since I've seen gold. All right. Uh, okay. Mm-hmm. August, September. Huh. So when did the last time we had a pump? It was around 19th. Okay, so I'll take this February 19th and then by 20, just a moment. Mm-hmm. So I'm just gonna be taking 5 years backward data from here and some other data. So we have an obvious, right here, right around this area, resistance and could possibly be a support in the future when gold, do a retest. So especially right here also around 1500. Mm-hmm. Okay. 2,500. So in terms of like, talking about the previous all-time high of the 11, we actually have a good, some break out of it. We did break out, but we're literally having a hard time hitting the goal of 2,000 around here. But at the same time, okay, I'm gonna just plot this one in right here, okay? I need that data later. This closings. So let me do small from here. Okay. What else? Yeah, so this one, let me do, is very small, so I'm gonna change a, okay. All right, so now let's go on the 2 weeks. So 2 weeks chart, full on ranging. Market structure is ranging. So I'm not quite sure if you're doing swing or day trading. So I'm doing just a full breakdown of the trades right now. So we did a good one, two, okay, three, four, and then an extended fifth right here. And then we have the A, B, C, and I can assume that it is possible that what is happening right now could be a, another wave to the upside. I'm talking a little bit advanced now, but yeah, could be another wave to the upside, but it is not yet complete. So what I mean by that, ideally right now, where we at right now, especially this, I'm seeing some support, okay, on the lower time frames from here. We need now the break of this. We need to break the 2000, at least by, it's gonna be so long, August, okay, August, but some bounces would be ideal on the coming months. Like, just give me a moment. July, August, December, September, okay? Bear months. What we want to see with gold, up, up, up. And when you get to this point, okay, Marvin, we need it to break out. Because when you get a rejection out of it, that is not gonna be a one, okay, of, to the upside. It's gonna be the full correction of this, and that's gonna be a really long time from here, okay. Okay, this, if you get a rejection right here, that's still gonna be a part of the day. So yeah, and if that's gonna be a rejection, expect the gold, I'm talking long term, to go all the way till 1500. Again, this is pure TA. 1,500, yeah. And that 1,500, I did not just do it with the horizontal line, but at the same time, it correlates with the trend line of the two in here, 1, 2. So, so now you have the full picture, possible full picture of gold. And yeah, your plan A, B, okay, X, Y, Z. If it doesn't happen, you do this. If this happens, you do this. Okay, that's what I'm giving you right now. All right, so correction. Yeah, we cannot assume that this one, it can be, you know, still ongoing one. But like I said, what we need right now is a breakout. So 3-day chart. Oh, 3D chart right now. Now I'm seeing it. Um, the breakout from here to the upside is going to be really good. So since we are sitting at the support, okay, since we are sitting at the support right now, 3-day. So with that said, it is ideal for you to look for long positions. Um, Let me open the daily. Okay. Okay, daily is a really good. Let me tell you, it makes me want to trade gold right now. Uh, the momentum is gonna be so strong to the upside. Okay, so right now we are forming this right around here. Okay, that's looking really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C. It's not that clear, but okay, Marvin, you need that 1-day chart to break this white line that I am plotting. So again, I'm not sure what exchange you're using because I am doing the Wanda right now. But I guess when you do the gold against USD, it's gonna be pretty similar like Bitcoin, but just a different, couple of digits. So, oh, mahina ang signal. Okay, that's okay. You can just like rewind this. But yeah, just take some points out of my um, explanation or breakdown of your goal. Yeah, so daily you need to break, ideally, you need to touch this 19,058. So it will look like this. Break. Once you get that, now that depends with what type of break that would be. But yeah, if you get the retest right around here, that's gonna be a good long position for you to the upside. It's gonna look like this. And by the way, that's gonna be a confirmed type of entry, and you can hit all the way till here. So, looking like that. So, but if you want to take the risk right now, your setup is gonna look like this. I need you to have your stop loss below here, this area. So it's gonna be looking like that. And at the same time, yeah, that's a good reversal. And base of momentum, let me tell you, there's a strong momentum that is gonna go to the upside. Even the 6 hour, 4 hour, yeah, 4 hours already moving. You're actually, if it was me, okay, I'm actually already late because I should have entered around here, like right around this area. Yeah. So at this retest also, yeah, right around this retest, this one, 1911. That should have been my entry if it was, if it was my trade. So right around here, 1911. That should have been my entry. Yeah. Anyway, so if you're just doing day trading with gold, yeah, it is ideal right now to, take a long position. Momentum is there, it's coming up, so rejection. So if you're doing a day trading, first take profit that I want you to expect is around this area. Do not be greedy, take some profit, move your entry at stop loss. So your maximum profit can be all the way till here. All right? Yeah, so that's my breakdown for gold for you, okay? From higher to the lowest possible that you can do. All right, then. So yeah, so I guess again, Marvin, welcome. Okay, hope to see you more in in my live session, and I hope your gold will do proper. Yeah. So good night, everyone. I'll see you guys again. All right, and yeah, if you like this kind of videos and if you don't want to miss it, make sure not to miss it. I try to explain knowledge, share some knowledge in terms of crypto. Just do the subscribe and then just hit notification, so yeah, you'll just get that right away if I'm live. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys around and have a good night. Okay, bye bye.